me, I'm all the way up.
I be shining rolling diamonds in the face. They used to say I'm not enough and that's okay. Cause now I'm chillin' making double what they make. And I ain't sorry, I'm a baddest out of game. And I'm in California living, eating noble. Shorty tryna get inside but that bitch so new. Why you tryna hit my line when I don't know you? I got too much on my mind from what I go through. All of a sudden now they with me cause I'm popping pump the brakes. Now they chasing me for clout like I was running from the J. I guess that certifies I got it with no room left for debate. Everybody wanna feature so I'm stacking them.
Sauce it up.
Hey, if you gotta leave, then I want you to wake me when you come back. When you come back, don't hit my phone. I know what it feels like. Woke up in a strange place. I call my home. Hey, all alone. Hey, not really.
Devil got that sauce.
He get left in a coffin. Guess who love, that's why I'm coughing. Guess who love, that's why I'm coughing. Damn, got no outfit. He don't want no war with me. He get left in a coffin. You broke my heart, so I don't want it. You broke my heart, so I don't want it. Fuck it, I just wanna live my life till the sun hits. Two lights in your eyes made me forget about myself. Unreal, never pop to be used and put yourself to sea. Yeah, I better be off. You better get behind the wheel.
I've been fighting every day. I don't know, I should still go try. I can't feel a thing. All these thoughts, they leave me paralyzed. Just stuck in a maze. I don't know what I want out of life. Tell me there's a way. Promise me that you will stay tonight. Why is it so dark? But I know I'll get through it all. Fuck all the lies.